Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talking, can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you been things. Liquidity sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings. Yeah.
You ain't got no chicken wings. I love that song. All right, guys. So go ahead and start answering the poll. Let's go ahead and get started in 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. That stuff's boring. Who needs that? We show you the, I don't want to say easy way, but not so complicated. Not so complicated. So for the poll, very important, wait for the stream to start. Wait for the audio. Does the audio with the treadmill bother you? Of course, I've done some adjustments to the mic settings, and hopefully it's a little bit better, but we'll see. But in case it does bother you, the robotic voice, I can stop the treadmill, no problem, because right now I am 56 minutes in, so I just need 3 more minutes. It's close to 67, 57. Anyway, daily time frame, crypto bubbles. We're gonna say hi to everybody in just a moment. Yes, Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Hopefully today was great for y'all, with friends, family. If you don't have either, hopefully you had just a good day. You know, maybe you have a cat, a dog, a parrot, fish, something. Imaginary friend, I don't care. Hopefully you have something, and that brings you joy. Right now, crypto bubbles on the daily. Nothing too big, nothing too exciting. Yeah, for me, what brings me happiness, my cats. I got two of them. Little one was on the stream, I think like 2 days ago. He's a big guy. He's a really big guy. Love the hat. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate you, man. It's very hot. Right before the stream, I was like, oh, let me put it on. Let me put it on. So, of course, Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Crypto bubbles on the hourly. Kind of showing green. Does that mean that we are going up on Bitcoin? We're going to find out in just a moment. We're going to look at the crypto fear and greed index. We're at 20. Extreme fear, we're down 3 points on Christmas. Let's refresh this. And let's go and go up here. So today, ribeye steaks. Went to my buddy's house, my ex-neighbor, and had some ribeye steaks, had some sausage, asparagus, salad. Really, really delicious. Oh my gosh. Super delicious. And then it was so good. And I got kind of hungry a little bit later, about 3-4 hours later, and I ate the other steak. So I had 2 steaks today. Hey, it's Christmas. I can do it. It's kind of like Turkey Day. But here I had 2 steaks. No bread, no potato, no. Oh wait, no, I had some croutons that came in the salad. That was it. It was good. Not that I'm watching my weight or nothing like that. It's just, oh no, I did have a donut on the way back. It was a 45-minute drive. I was like, I'm gonna stop and get me a donut. Give me a sweet. That's what I did. See here. Don't even know it's a robotic voice. Good, because I did a video and I played it back and I sent it to my VIP group and I couldn't hear the robotic voice, but I'm pretty sure if I listen to it on my other computer, it might sound different. So I don't know. Let's see here. We're going to adjust this 0.5. But yesterday I only did 30 minutes on the treadmill. And today I was like, man, I got to get my hour in, at least an hour. And the speed is 1.4. So it's good. Ooh, doggy. Look at all these liquidations above us and below us. Really nice area right here. So we could 86 and so 86.816. We almost tapped it. We were really, really close, and then we came up. So what we're doing now is we're building more stop losses down here and here at 86.5 and here 86.2. And what we might do is we might come up here to around 80, which you call it 88. We got 12.79 million, so 13 million about, and almost 11 million right at 88. So pretty nice millions right here. We might, I don't know, maybe come up here and get this, only to come down to around 86. Let's say 86.5, wick down to 86.2, then continue up, potentially. We'll see. Let's come over here to the 12 hour. Let's say hi to the chat. Chris, thank you, my friend. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Chris. Floki's Angels, Merry Christmas to you as well. Thank you so much for being very loyal supporters to the channel, watching the videos, smashing the like, sharing it, all that fun stuff. It really does help. So thank you for that. Johnny December. I think that's the coolest name ever. Road Dog says that too, and I agree with them. Like, how cool is that name? Johnny December. It's right up there with James Bond. I'm just saying. See here. Good evening. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you too, my friend. Strike hard in the house. Yeah, no chicken wings today. No chicken wings. I do want chicken wings though. See here. Get Christmas chicken wings in the vanity pack. Chicken wings, no chicken wings. Man, I can't get over that lady. You ain't got no chicken wings? I was really confused. I said, I'm sorry, ma'am. Is that a question or a statement? And she knew that's not even proper English. And she said, do you have? I said, oh, it's a question. Well, let's find out. That's funny. Merry Christmas. It sounds good. Good. Don't even robotic voice. We got Shep in the house. Merry Christmas to you, my friend. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for being here. Really appreciate everybody who's here. We got West in the house. What's up, West? Merry Christmas, everybody. Thank you, West. Thank you so much. To here. Going down the list. We got bingos and bangos in the chats. I love it. If you're a YouTube member, you have the ability not only to watch some of the VIP videos that I put out for my VIP group, but you also have the ability to do bingo bangos. So very nice. All right, let's see here. Let us go. 12 hour, same thing. We just talked about that. Let's go to the 3-day. 3-day. Jeez. Man. We got Scar in the house. What's up, Scar? Merry Christmas to you, my friend. Techman TV. What's going on? Merry New Beer. Let's go. If you got one in your hand, cheers it up. I was telling my neighbor today, my ex-neighbor, story time. I was telling my ex-neighbor, man, yesterday, I was gonna say this close, but it was more like that close, I guess, to getting a beverage. I haven't had a alcoholic beverage in, I want to say like maybe 2 years now. I don't even know, but it's probably 2 years. And I came really close. Really close. I went to the convenience store, put some gas yesterday. I was like, man, I see everybody, coming out with drinks and beers and everything. I said, man, I kind of want one. And I'm assuming they thought I was going to steal or something, because I was staring right at the beer, just staring at it. And I'm just looking. I was like, nah, I've done so good not drinking. Now, for me, I'm the fun kind. When I drink, I'm the jokester. More of my personality comes out. There's a lot of people that are aggressive and fight. Not me. Man, I make friends everywhere I go. I have a great time, everything. But I make poor decisions, usually financially. Story time. So what I'll do is I'll go and I'll eat at like a Denny's type restaurant. And when I'm paying for my bill, I say, you see that table there? That table over there too? Like, yeah. So go ahead and put their stuff on mine. Don't tell them though, but just put it on mine. Like, you serious? So, yeah. All right. So boom. I think I'm rich, and I'm not, but that's what I would do. And I do that a lot. For a lot of people's stuff. Same thing, closing tabs. Like, they have a tab? Yeah. So put it on me. You sure? And there was one time, okay, the last story. There was one time where the bartender, she got mad at me. Paid for 5 people's tabs. 5. But their tabs are small. Like, I feel sorry for them, really. Because I'm expecting to spend some money, and the tabs are like super tiny. So I got all their things. Anyway, the bar closed, and she's like, Joe, I don't like you doing that. So what are you talking about? She goes, you paying for everybody's tab. I don't like that. I said, why? She goes, because they don't tip. If they have a tab, at least they tip something. I said, what is their average tip? Each one. So this guy, he pays like maybe $5 tip. This guy maybe $5. This guy maybe $7. So hold on. Went to the ATM, took out some money. When I say I took out some money. And I laid it on the bar. I said, don't ever talk to me about that again. And I went and used the restroom and left. That was the last time I ever tipped her. Last time. But that was a big tip. But anyway, yeah, I used to do that. I used to think I had money. I don't. But didn't get a beverage. And I'm happy, especially today, because I still have money in the bank. Because like I said, no, I just go crazy. I start giving everybody money. It's like Oprah. You get a car, you get a car. You get, like, oh, I ain't got Oprah money. Let's see here. Going to the list. Going to the list. Waffle House, yeah. Yeah. Yep. I've done that many times. Yeah. Very true. All right. Get back to it. 3-day. Man, we're dash back in the middle. So this is when we really look to see what are the market makers doing. Are they wanting to push the coin up, a bigger picture, or down? And depending on where they do it, depends on where it goes. Look at BTS. Okay, or Bitcoin. All right. Yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Let's do 1 week. On the week. Oh, snap. It's moving. It's moving. Flash. Not doing nothing. Breaking lower. Bitcoin. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Hopefully y'all didn't see that. All right. So here, this is Bitcoin. I updated my group at 8:10, I believe. So about 50 minutes ago, about an hour ago from now, when the price was right here. I'm saying this is what we need to see. Like, we absolutely do. We need to see this. This is what I was trying to push out to Discord. And I'm sure everybody in Discord's tired of me talking trash about Discord. I hate Discord. I really do. Unless y'all start boosting the Discord channel server, y'all can't get what I'm trying to show y'all, or my VIP group, and also the free Telegram group. The free Telegram group got the 2.5 minute video I made in reference to this. The Discord, I have to re-record the video, 45 seconds. It says the thing was too large. I recorded 30 seconds, 15 seconds, still too large. I said, you know what? F this. So I think I posted the picture. I don't remember. I did an audio though. Crying again. Oh, I hate Bitcoin. I hate Discord. I really do. So many, and then I can't even do an audio on Discord unless I use my phone. I don't like using my phone. I like everything on the desktop. Anyway, price is here. I'm saying what we need to see right now, because it looks like a potential bounce. We don't know if it's going to bounce or not. It could roll over. If it rolls over and it breaks this zone, man, shorts are going to play out really nicely. Here's our next zone that we're looking at for potentially a bounce. If we break this zone, in my opinion, it's over. In my opinion. So we don't want to break this zone. We zoom out, we can kind of see, our next is right around here, around 76. And then our next is way down here. Right now, could you argue that this is a bear flag or a bear pennant? It'd be more of a flag than anything else. Sure. So this is why it's so desperately needed that we break out of this. And the top level is right around 93.5, which would not go with the bearish pattern. So here, were you and your friend the only one at Waffle House? No, man, I'd spend money. I spend ridiculous money. Oh, that's Melissa? For Melissa? Yeah, for me, I would spend so much money. I spent money like I had it. And when I was a nurse, I had it. So I was used to spending money, like a lot of it. Then when I wasn't a nurse, I had a little bit of money, but I would act like I had RN money, and I didn't. But yeah. So yeah, if we break below this, not good. So this is what my video, my 2.5 minute video was. That I was trying to get out to Discord, couldn't. Tried 3 times, but my VIP group and the free group on Telegram got this video saying what I would like to see is first to come up here, maybe get rejected off at this level. You know, it's been kind of serving as support resistance. You can see it here. Maybe get rejected, come down, come up, find it as support, come up, and try to go for here. That's what we're trying to do. Let's see here. Any questions? Questions, comments, concerns, issues? Let me know. We were looking at Litecoin the other day, and I think I made a video. Oh, this was part of the 2.5 minute video. I'm saying we're here. What we don't want to see is this. If we do this number, really great chance we'll get stopped out. I was actually talking about a long for the VIP group. We did enter this long, and right now it's doing really well. But here, I think we have our stop loss lower. Like, this is not the setup that I gave for my VIP. My VIP has a different setup, but this was the thought process I was doing when I made the Bitcoin video in reference to potentially re-entering Litecoin, and I was going to do the setup. And that's the benefit of being in the VIP. Does it happen all the time? No. Am I trying to trick you into getting to the VIP? No. You get in there if you want. You get in there if you have money. If you don't have money, let's say extra per month, you only have $50. Well, guess what? You can't join the group. You know, the group costs more than that. So you can't join. And it sucks. It takes money to make money. However, you can be here on YouTube and get all this alpha. You know, do I think what I offer is all alpha? Yeah, I do. But I show you how the setups, show you the trades, show you what we're looking for, show you the areas that, I mean, we don't know what's going to happen. So we always have plan A, plan B. If this happens, this is what we might look forward to. But if it rolls over, it's bad news. We break below this level. In my opinion, it's over. Could we just come down here, wick, and then shoot up and trick everybody? Heck yeah. The market makers can do whatever. That's why I trade level by level. I see here. How do I even enter a trade? Sugarheart, just give me all your money. No, I'm playing. I was gonna say, so I can buy me some cookies. I want some cookies. We worked at a really busy bar. She was a car manager. We made really good, easy money there. That's nice. Yeah. That's really nice. Yeah, at a bar. Man, I feel bad for women, especially pretty women, because they're constantly getting hit on, constantly. And then the not so attractive women, they still get hit on, which is good, you know, boosts their self-esteem and everything. Oh, so I have another story since there's no charts or questions. Felt really bad. Yesterday, one of my managers who, you know, checks my work, you know, once I clean everything at the meat market, she goes, yeah, like, I need to get out of this job. I need to go somewhere else, do something. I said, oh, okay. Like, what do you plan on doing? Where do you plan on going? I don't know. I just can't be here. I've been here 4 years already. And I said, I mean, that's good. I mean, you're story time. I said, that's good. I mean, you're a manager. It's good. She goes, how old do you think I am? I'm thinking, I don't know. Maybe 28. And she's like, ugh. I was like, is that good or bad? She's like, ugh, I just turned 23. I was like, oh, and I'm trying to backtrack now. Like I'm stepping on my tongue. Dug myself into a hole. I was like, well, I'm just saying that because of your position. I don't know what else to say. And she's like, well, no, I need you something. And I'm thinking, like, if you don't have a plan, at least say you got to find a rich boyfriend or something. But the reason I said 28, how do I say this without being rude? She doesn't put any effort. And what do I mean by that? Her hair, just down to the side. No mousse, no effort. She just brushes her hair down. That's it. No makeup, no, and not excessive, but no jewelry, no nothing. Now, granted, you're probably not supposed to wear a bunch of jewelry, but nothing. Plain Jane. Now, if you're naturally beautiful, man, we'll just say that I would encourage a little bit of makeup, a little bit. You know, don't be like a clown or nothing. Don't not like you're going out on a date or anything, but just something, some kind of effort. But because of zero effort, maybe even negative effort, I thought she looked 28. Tech Man says, stop digging a hole, bro. Yeah. I was like, no, I'm just saying because of your position. Yeah, I started when I was 18 and I moved up to this and this and then became manager. Like, well, that's good. So, but what do you want to do? Like, you have to want to do something. Like, I get it. You don't want to be here, but what would make you happy? What do you want to do? And she said, I don't know. Okay, well, I mean, you have to have a plan. She sounds mature for 23. Probably. Here. Yep, caught it at the bottom of that, writing it up. Hey, there you go. Bitcoin just pumped like 2K in the last 20 minutes or so. Nice. Very nice. ETH and XRP. Are you asking for those or are you saying that it pumped as well? Well, let's check it out. We have ETH up here, I think. Where do we close out ETH? Let us look. What's this one? Floki. Oh yeah, we got stopped out on Floki. We got, oh, our first target hit. Nice. So our first target, and here's look at this, guys. So price came down, came up. We added to our entry. Came down, first target hit, great. Started coming up. I'm looking for a reversal here, pulling back. It didn't do it. By that time, it's already too late. Stopped out. So we did good. 20x leverage with 3, so 60%. Not bad. And then we got stopped out. So we won some, we lost some. Not bad. No, I caught all 3 at the bottom. Nice. Very nice. Yeah, for me, it's too risky. Trading like that, like trying to, maybe it bounces here. I mean, here, great opportunity for it to bounce up. But then I'd be looking for a potential rollover here to come down. That's what I would look for. You know, maybe for it to go up, take my first profit here with my stop loss super tight, hoping for a bounce because we don't know, it didn't happen yet. Then as it keeps on going up, it's like, oh, snap. Get my stop loss from here, put into profit, and then see if it comes down to continue going up. That's how I would have played it. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, woulda. That's only if I'm gonna do an aggressive entry. But I mean, right now, for me, I'm not in the mood to do aggressive entries. There you go. Out on all 3. Whee! Like the little piggy. Merry Christmas. There you go. He sold. Pump it. Yeah. That's funny. Techman says, please stop looking for our next coin. Stick to something you find utility in. Yeah. For that, for me, I don't find utility like in a coin. I find what people are buying and selling. And that's just the trader mentality. Techman has the investor mentality. In my opinion, investor mentalities are smarter. Just my opinion. Because they're looking more long-term. They're looking, and I say this a lot, you've never heard an investor say, oh, I made 20% in the past 3 days. They don't look at the 3 days. They look like the past 3 years, I've made X amount of money. But yeah. Scar says, well, that paid Christmas off. Hey, dude, killed it. Killed it. Nice. Like it. Like it. Right now we're 82 minutes on the stepper. We traveled 1.93 miles. And I started like almost an hour before the show. Going 1.4 on the speed. So whenever I say stepper, it's not like a step machine. It's a treadmill. Nice. Hopefully everybody had a great Christmas. I really wish like everybody would have just great everything, you know, and it really does help. And Road Dogg was talking about this, when you just show appreciation and gratitude. And it's very true. Like, you show gratitude, one, people who you talk to or your friends or whatever, just be grateful. Like, hey man, you know, you're a good dude. Like, you're a good person, and thanks for listening. There's a lot of people that don't listen. They only listen to you so that when you either take a breath or a pause or stop, they can talk. There's a lot of people like that. Like, a lot. 23, 68, 26. Is that your locker combination? What's that? Bitcoin is still going up. Whoa. Litecoin. Litecoin alert. Litecoin alert. Alert, alert, alert. Nice. So that's what we're looking at. Let's go. Let's go. Now, I would expect a pullback. Pullbacks are fine. Pullbacks are healthy. Pullback that I would look for if we were to pull back right now would be 76.90-ish before maybe continuing up. So just remember, they don't always go, well, you don't want them to go straight up, because when they go down fast. So here, if it pulled back, I'm fine with that. I just don't want it breaking this zone, especially where we entered, because not only do we get a loss, well then now this might have just been a pump and dump reversal. Newbie Crypto says, bro, I caught the Bitcoin pump. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Love it. I love it. Here. Same here. Congrats. Very nice. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. It's a Christmas miracle. It's a Christmas miracle. There you go. Here's our Christmas miracle, guys. Order flow and liquidity trading. Let's go. So order flow. I know you can see that on the exchanges, but is there an indicator? Like, how do you look at order flow? Order flow. This one has a lot. So look at this one. Now wait for the pullback and back up. Yep. So I clicked on order flow. That just shows me that. I don't know what that is. Let's go to this one. Okay, this shows us information down here. Order flow analysis shows us. Ooh, sexy. I like that one. That one's pretty sexy. Let's put a star by it because it just looks sexy. I don't know what it's doing though. So here it's telling us information. This one really not telling us anything. Let's double click on it and put. So it just shows us imbalance. Okay. That shows me order from different exchanges. Oh, use a program called Market Money or Monkey. It's not on TradingView. Okay. There's a website that I used to use. I don't think it was Market Monkey. Yeah, it's like Exo charts. Yeah. So is it called Market Monkey? Let's all look at it. Market Monkey. Or is it Market Money? Advance. This looks familiar. Order flow. And this looks familiar. But wait, use my affiliate if you sign up. LOL. Send it to me. Send it to me. Well, see if you can put it in the chat, and we'll use it. If you can't, if it doesn't show up in the chat, send it to my Telegram. If you have Telegram, trade_intuition. If you do send it, let me know, and then I'll put it in the chat so we can sign up under your stuff. But CBD. I don't use the CBD. A lot of people do. Order flow. I think Chart Prime has order flow too. I don't know. Chart Prime has a lot of stuff. VWAP, volume bubbles, bar stats. Monkey. You saying it wrong. It's a monkey. I did say monkey. Bro, it's official. It helps so much. Bro, it's so official. Jason Casper trades with it. Hey, there you go. Trade counter. Okay, so I don't see it on the chat. If you sent it in the chat, send it to my Telegram. Send me a DM, and then I'll put it in here. And then if people want to sign up for it, they can use your link. Joe, did you just blink to not use the link? No, I blinked because I had to blink. Free tier, $30 a month, billed annually. I don't think that's bad. $30 a month. It's an old video of kids goofing off. I'll send it in a bit. Okay, cool, man. Yeah, just let me know when you send it. If you do it monthly, oof, $60. That kind of hurts, especially in this market. But if you do annually, save half. Not bad. Not bad at all. Order flow. Okay, so I guess I can take all these off. So let's take that off, and this. let us look at purchased. Invite only. Order flow. I don't know, man. ChartPower has so many indicators. Dynamics Pro, maybe. Look for the order flow. Down here. Lines, swings, colored candles, enable fair value gap, imbalance volume, volume profile, and this is the paid version. Links in the description if you want it. Money data, show the VWAP. I mean, just absolutely just killer indicators. Weekly. I don't know, to me it's like too much for an indicator. Like if they just had, but then they have too many indicators because they have so many like great things. If they just had this as one indicator, this, but then you'd have like 50 indicators up. So yeah, I see why they did what they did. Ooh, they even have the sessions. That's pretty cool.
Late night charts on. Snow on the glass. Candle in the window.
There's a lot. It's okay. We'll get rid of that. Get out the hell. Okay. So yeah, Bitcoin pumping. Bitcoin pumping. Let's see here. Got a few more minutes in the show. Few more minutes. We have gone 93 minutes, 94 minutes on the stepper. Travel 2.19 miles. Working off them steaks. Well, actually working off that donut. Making up for yesterday. We're not doing the treadmill. I only did it for 30 minutes. Kind of cheated yesterday. I tried to do an hour a day. Minimum an hour. So let's see what the results are. Wow, nobody said yes. That it bothered them. Wow. I'm very surprised and grateful too, because y'all are the best. So let's go ahead and end the poll. And I do enjoy walking, because again, 2 birds, 1 stone. I can do my at least 1 hour of YouTube, and while I'm doing this, get my steps in. 1, keeps me accountable, and 2, well, get my steps in. Did you ever get a bidax? No. Negative. Is that a biter? No, I have 2 miners. Matter of fact, they're on the chair right next to me. It's a Litecoin / Doge. I had it, last cycle, and just unplugged it once the very beginning of the bear market happened. So here, I put alternatives. Something on mine running dual pool earlier. It said block found. Mind you, I'm solo on PK pool and Jelly FC, but no trace on pool. A block found. Oh, that sucks. Hopefully God willing, finds the block and it puts it on the blockchain and however it does it, and then you get rewarded. That'd be great, dude. But that's such an emotional roller coaster. You're like, I found a block. I solved the block. Firmware. I put alternative firmware on mine. Okay. Running dual pool. Earlier it said block found. And being a solo miner at that, dude. I can't. It's like literally winning the lottery. and then saying, oh, this was last week's drawing. It's like, no, I told him this week. But yeah, hopefully it works. Hit the like button. Yes, guys, definitely smash the like. We do this every day, 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Regardless if it's Christmas, New Year's, my birthday, doesn't matter. We'll be doing this live every day, unless I'm sick or moving or just tired. But I'll let everybody know. Yeah, total bummer. I agree, man. It's literally like winning the lottery. I hope it works out though. I really do. I hope maybe later on, maybe today, tomorrow, it registers. Can't find my affiliate link, but when I do, I'll send it over. Telegram. Cool, man. That'll work. That'll work. And then just remind me too. Just say, hey Joe, you told me to send me the link. Because if not, I'll see him and be like, oh man, this dude trying to sell me something. But if you tell me, hey Joe, Sinewave Crypto, you asked for the link, here it is. So just let you know. Because I do get a lot of those DMs. Or especially with hi or hello, how are you? I get them voice messages. What do you want? Like, don't beat around the bush. Are you trying to sell me something? If so, sell it to me. If not, don't waste my time. Oh, I'm with this exchange and blah, blah, or, you know, we're looking for somebody to promote our coin. I said, nah, I'm all right. See ya. All right, cool, man. Very good. All right, let's see here. We have gone 1.4 speed, 99 minutes on the stepper. We have traveled 2.3 miles, guys. We have traveled this 2.3 miles. I love it. All right, we got about maybe like 5 more minutes. Warrior trending. There you go. What's up, Warrior? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. If you have any questions, please ask. If you have any charts you want me to do, please ask. One thing that I do here, I encourage questions. There's a lot of people that you start asking questions, they ban you. Why? That's so dumb. We do not have an echo chamber here, meaning, oh, only positive vibes, this and that. Nah. If you trade differently and it's working for you, great, keep on doing it. But if what you're doing is not working, well then you might want to try something different. What we do is we show you how to successfully trade without all the complications, all the complexity, all the abbreviations, all the terms and everything that all these other traders use. We just break it down. We just make it simple. No, I'm sorry. We don't make it simple. We make it less confusing. That's what we do. But yeah, definitely smash a like. And for me, I love questions. Man, we had some great questions yesterday. Absolutely great. And what those questions do verifies that I know what the heck I'm talking about. That's the most important, because you don't want to watch somebody who's just blowing smoke up your butt, trying to convince you to buy their group or buy their course, boot camps. You don't want that. They're great salesmen, not gonna lie. But you want somebody who can show you that they know what they're talking about before you buy anything from them. That's what I do. That's what I do. All right, we got about 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes and there's no questions. What's the day? I don't know what time. I don't know what time. Let's see here. Let's go to redirect. Let's see, is anybody gonna stream at 10? Is anybody streaming now? Man, Miss Teen Crypto gave out a lot of money today. $1,200 and something this morning. As soon as I got in there, she's like, Congratulations, I think to Golden, 800 bucks. I don't know if he won it or if I don't know. I just heard her say congratulations to Golden. Let's see here. Waiting for Road Dog to come on if he does. See here. See here. We got some interesting comments. Pack Bandit says, you talking about Lifer? Not yet, I can. But in reference to only the positive attitude, in a sense, yes, I am referencing him. He has an echo chamber. If you say anything bad or something that he perceives as bad, then he'll ban you. But I have a song about Lifer. I'm not sure if you are a Lifer. If you are, I'm sorry, but you will, once you learn how to trade, because that tells me a lot about people who watch him. Once you learn how to trade, you'll see, like, oh, and I'm not trying to talk trash. Believe me, I'm not trying to talk trash. But once you become an experienced trader, you can spot fake traders. You really can. But I'm not talking about him precisely, but in a sense, I'm just talking about people who have echo chambers. There's one guy, he actually scammed his whole entire community, and he changed his name. He's a white guy. He's got tattoos on his neck. Is the one who his girlfriend was the nurse, Mandy Coin. He rugged all his members. He started a new channel, and he started a new, I guess, persona. But anyway, before Mandy Coin, I saw him, and he was just flipping through charts, like really, really quick, and time frames. Like he'd do this, and he'd say something really quick. He'll do this, say something really quick, but like he's not explaining anything. And so I asked him, "Hey, I'm brand new to your channel." Yeah, the scammy cup and handy, 90%. Yeah, Nathan knows. The scammy cup and handy. I actually have a video that I've labeled the scammy cup and handy. But Shep, you're a Lifer? No, you're not. No, you're not. But I asked him, I said, hey man, first time here, first time watching your channel. Do you like break down your thought process? Because you're going really fast on the charts. And that's all I did. No disrespect, no nothing. I'm just saying, does he break them down? And because he was literally going really fast. And he didn't respond. So I waited about 30 minutes. And I said, hey guys, I'm new to watching him. Just seeing, does he break stuff down? No response. About 20 minutes later, same thing, asked again. It's like, that's pretty rude. Like I'm asking people and no one's even responding. And then I go and I check on another account, my comments weren't being posted because he blocked me like that. I was like, dude, I was just asking if you if you explained your thought process. That's all I was asking. So yeah. But yeah, for me, I encourage questions. It does two things. One, verifies that I know what the heck I'm talking about. And two, maybe it's a question that another trader may not even know to ask. And plus, when I answer the question, you'll see how I answer it. Do I stutter? Do I pause? Do I have to think about it? Do I get sidetracked and then go on to something else? I've answered these questions hundreds of times to where I'm pretty sure I know what your follow-up question is going to be. So not only do I explain that answer, but it leads to other questions that you may have, and then I answer those as well. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. And I mean, there's people that will be in different groups, and some will learn something, and so others, they'll see it for what it is. They'll post, and I say this all the time, Literally, it's a numbers game. It's a sales pitch. Excuse me. They'll do 10, 15, 20 charts a day. And they'll have like 8 bangers. And they'll say, look guys, we did this in the group. We made 80% on this call, and look at this other call. We did 45%. Join our group. We had 6 more calls just like this, guys. Join the group. Join it today. We have a 40% discount. The discount's going away. Join now. This and that. Like, let's do it. And just hyping you up. You join in and you realize, oh man, they're posting a lot of charts. It's a numbers game. Eventually something's gonna hit. But what they're doing is they're wrecking all their members. Yeah. Yeah. And it's true too. Like, we all have to go through that. We all have to join groups to experience a group. And it's like, oh, you mean I can just look this stuff up, or I can just, you know. So what I do is I just show you all this stuff. I don't charge you to learn to trade. If you make money, which you should, not financial advice, but if you make money, well then now, because you made money, because you're learning how to trade easier than what other people teach, now you might want to join the group, the VIP. And I tell you straight off the bat, will you learn faster? Yes, of course. You have access to me? Yes, of course. But the main thing is, like, you get the updates on the trades. That's the main thing. But do you need to do that to learn how to trade? No. Watch my channel. Ask me questions. Like right now is your 1 hour of mentorship. Ask questions about indicators, about trading strategies, about divergence, about whatever, and I'll answer it to you right now. You don't need to join my group to get access to that. And I say this all the time, I want to get rich with you, not because of you. Everybody wants to get rich because of you. Oh, join my group. I'll show you how to trade. Oh, sure enough. So here. Yeah. And that's what salesmen do. They talk positive. Like, I give you the reality of trading. And in my group, when we do hit a banger, for whatever reason, the very first thing I do is I bring them down to earth. I said, listen guys, went to this trade yesterday. It went up 80%. Did I know it was going to go up 80%? Nope. Did I do something differently? Nope. We just happened to find it before a larger group found it, because we're all looking at the same levels. We just entered a little sooner. They have a lot of money. They literally pumped the coin. And I let them know right off the bat, you know, does this happen all the time? No. And especially if we get like a new member or two, I let them know really quick, this does not happen all the time. Don't. And the last time we had a nice pump, we had just got a member. And I made sure to say, hey guys, this does not happen all the time. Because we posted it, next day, boom. This doesn't happen all the time. I'm very real. I'm not here to sell you on empty dreams, promises. Nah. I'll give you the reality. Yeah. But yeah, it's all positive talk, motivational talk. Just, what's the word? I used it earlier. Motivational stuff. Like, if you want to make money, all you got to do is buy all these books from people who are great salesmen and basically how to sell. You can sell anything. And shoot, man, that's what they do. So here. Yep. Here. Yep. Yep. Yeah, there was one time where somebody said that they lost their profits. Not, I joined the group and I lost all my money, or your group is nothing, no trash talk, no nothing. Just, I lost my profits today. I lost my profits today. That's all he said. he read it, got very, very upset, said that we don't need negativity, banned him from the channel, and then looked right into the camera, cocked his head, looked right in the camera and said, God bless you. And I'm like, what? I was like, oh man. Reminds me of the evangelist or whatever they call him, where they're interviewing him. And it's like, they say you don't get on planes because you don't want to be in a tube full of demons. He goes, I didn't say that. And he's man, like he got mad and ugly. And when that guy did that, God bless you, it reminded me of him. I was like, wow. But yeah, and that's what they do. And he's a great salesman. Hands down, he is a great salesman. I would buy a used car from him. That's how great he is. Does he know how to trade? Yeah. It's very evident. And if you know how to trade, you can spot it. There's a lot of people in your circle that elevate him. And I call them out. I'm not popular amongst that circle because I have morals, ethics, integrity. And I won't sacrifice that so I could be in that circle. And if I do sacrifice it, well, my channel will grow. I'll get more members. I'll make more money. Like I would be living a very nice life because I'd have a lot of members. But I would rather warn people about certain traders or trader characteristics than get rich off of somebody else. That's just me. So here, yeah, opium. Very true. Yeah. Yeah. Very true. Very true. Yep. Is there certain times that you should use the fixed volume profile between? For me, no. The way I use the fixed range volume profile is on pivots. So depending on what I'm looking for, let's just say Monero. Let's say Monero. This one, let's hide all our stuff. Let's just do a clean chart, because that's a great question. Do this. What did I do? Rookie. Put that in there. Now let's hide everything. And of course, let's hide this. So if I want to find the fixed range volume profile or use the fixed range volume profile, what I would do is I would look for swings. And here there's a lot of ups and downs, very confusing. So just go to a higher time frame. And what I can do is use from here to here. Now this is going to give me the macro, where it's the bigger picture. And we can get a smaller one from here to here to give us more of a tighter levels. And that's how you want to look at everything when you're like, well, do I pull the fib from here, or do I use, like, whatever you're going to use? This will show you the macro. If you use this extension leg right here, it's going to give you smaller, tighter stuff. So if we use the fixed range volume profile, magnet tool, go from the lowest point all the way over, it shows you this. If we use the fixed range volume profile from here all the way over, it shows you this. So what you could do is you can use this kind of like a range. So here, both areas, value area high, for here, value area low, point of control for the macro, point of control for this swing. So what we don't want to do to remain bullish, we don't want to break this zone. We break this zone, not good. Not good at all. And that's how you can use the fixed range volume profile. I use it on the swings. Now, granted, if we're looking at a lower time frame, I would still use this level. It'll give me the same information. But great question. Great question. Now, here's the thing. I just thought of this. Do you see how I answered that question? I didn't hesitate. I didn't fumble. I gave you two different options to kind of give you a range. I answered it to where it's kind of easy to find it from here on out. Just go to a bigger time frame because you're looking for swings. You're looking for the range. And this could be a potential start of a range because we don't know yet. It could go up, down, up, come all the way down here, then up, down, and just it continues. But yeah, so here. So Nathan, great question. Let's see here. But yeah, so I don't use certain times. It's just the swings, and you can see the swings easier on a higher time frame. So that works or helps. No, he doesn't know how to trade. He gets lucky, but he doesn't know how to trade. And the stuff that he says makes sense. For example, he uses a 21 SMA. If the price action goes above the 21 SMA, and let's say the 200 is way up here, if we break above the 21 SMA and we go towards the 200, here would be where the price would be. That makes sense. Because if we make the 21 and we go towards the 200, price is going up. Like the stuff that he says and other traders, it makes sense. Now, because the price action broke the 21 does not mean that it will go to the 200. It just means it broke this level. As long as it continues going up, it's going to meet the 200. Like you have to break down the sentence and the words because it makes sense. But because it broke the 21 doesn't mean it's going to go to 200. It just means that because we broke the 21, the chance of continuing up are greater. Why? We broke the 21. We broke a moving average. So yeah. Let's go over here. Scar says, my cat passed out in my arms. Oh, how cute. How cute. Newbie says, he ever said that he can't share all the secrets. He's even said he can't share all the secrets. Now, what kind of trader is that? That's one thing I hate. I really don't like it when traders do that. They're like, well, I can't give you all of my secrets. Why not? Like, you said we're friends. You said you want to help me. Why can't you tell me your secrets? I'll tell you everything I know. I'm not gonna hold anything back. I want you to be successful. But yeah, he's a referral farmer. Yeah. Jason Catherine, in my opinion, is a true, good, a God-fearing guy, genuine. Yeah, I agree. I don't watch him a lot, but I do agree. And he's living the life too. He's living like he's on land. He grows his own stuff. Pretty much self-sufficient. Dude, and in shape. Dude is like, he's living the dream. Like, is he worried about having a mansion and a Lamborghini and a Maserati and a Ferrari and, just worldly things and, So, yeah. I mean, nothing wrong, my opinion, nothing wrong with having nice cars, nice watches, nice clothes. Like, if it makes you feel good, no, I don't see nothing wrong with it. But in reference to certain people, don't act as if you got it because of your ability to trade. Call it for what it is, your ability to sell, and be proud of it. Like, hey, I'm a great salesman. I sold, 500,000 this year in groups and memberships and everything. And because of that, I bought me a car. Good for you. Congrats. Mad respect. But don't act like you got it from trading. You know what I mean? So here, going down the list. And Jason takes the hate comments like a champ and stays positive throughout. Yeah. Same with me. Like, for me, like, I'll have people in here and I say, prove me wrong. Like, okay, you don't agree with me? Great. But why? Like, give me examples. I was like, oh, I joined your group. And I said, the heck you did? You're not in my group. And then he'll say something like, it's like, I said, man, you're just doing FUD right now. But it's okay. We can see you for who you are. And I didn't go out of my way too. Like for haters, I was like, dude, what time frame are you? Are you Australian? I'll do a live stream at 3 in the morning just so you can be on. I don't care if it's only you. And you can ask me questions and I will help you learn. I will help you, strategize and everything. Like, I truly want to help people. It's not, pay me $100 and I'll answer you for an hour. No. It's like, are you Australia? Like, Australia time? I'll do a stream at 3 in the morning and ask me questions. Like, I want to help everybody. But they never did. See here. See here. Screaming funny guy. Yeah, I like when he sings. He's a great dude, man. He raps. Great raps. See here. I'm trying to watch him every day, but yeah, for me, I like him. I really haven't seen anything that I mean, he's been here on the show as a viewer, and like whatever I say now, I've said to him. And one of the things I say to him, same thing with Trader Geo, is they trade too aggressively for me, for my style. And everybody has a different style, and it's fine. Theirs isn't better than mine, mine's not better than theirs. It's just the comfort level of the trader. And I tell them it's higher risk. So I don't trade the way they trade. Let's see here. Ooh. Let's see here. Yeah, he's getting a really big following, and like he's pushed people over to me before, which is really cool. There was one time I was on the treadmill for like an hour and a half, and I was done already. And then he pushed people over. He's like, oh, I'll go for like 15 more minutes. Now, one thing that I will not do, and I do know people who have done this, where they kind of look the other way to grow their channel. For me, if there's something that I don't agree with, I'll let you know. Like I'm okay with the channel not growing by keeping my ethics, morals, integrity, all that fun stuff. Yeah. But I mean, people, it's a business move, and it's a smart business move, in my opinion. But yeah. Let's see here. David says thanks. No problem. Here, let's go along when someone crosses the 200. Yeah. So here, Alex is a very good trader, and he is. I think he is. And one thing I like about Alex O is when he loses, he doesn't make excuses. Not that I've seen. I know other traders that if they lose, they look for reasons why it didn't work, as opposed to just accepting it. Hey, it looked great, but the market just did what it did. So yeah, his style is very high risk, and he's very good at it. He is very good at it. Very good. Yep, very true. That's what that other trader does. How is money flow on Bitcoin, Joe? I don't know. Oh. Money flow is coming up, guys. Money flow is coming up. Let's see here. Money flow was coming down. Then we started kind of going sideways, started going up a little bit, then started coming down, and now we can see money flow starting to curve up. Joe, how do you know that? Do your indicators show that? No. The price action shows it. Joe, that's not accurate money flow. I don't know. You tell me, do you have Market Cypher B? The real one? Because if I know if I pull up the Fu Manchu one, oh, that's not the real one. Okay. But I guarantee it, this is what it's showing you. If not, prove me wrong. Sugarheart says, Joe, you're over the time. We have gone almost 3 miles? What? That's nuts. That is nuts. Let's see here. So we went over money flow. What secrets you want to know? Chef says, I'm a terrible trader. Nah, man. You're watching the channel, so you will get better. And you're here, so you will get better. Guarantee it. Not financial advice, but guarantee it. Scar says, I traded with Tom. I love Tom Crown. Me and Tom, we used to talk a lot. Well, I wouldn't say a lot, but we would talk. But I've been so busy lately. I need to reach out to him, see what he's up to. From day one, and he is excellent. I love Tom Crown. Dude is straight up legit. For me, in the order, I would do Tom Crown. That I think, like, he's a great person. Trader, good as well, but person-wise, and like from trust, Tom Crown is at the top of the list. Big time. Love the dude. And he used to come in on my shows from time to time. He'd drop in for like 30 seconds. Like, hey guys, hey Joe. Like, Tom Crown, a superstar, blah, blah. I get all excited and everything. And he really left. I was like, ah. But yeah, I love Tom Crown. Yeah, there are plenty worse than that guy. I don't like saying his name. Shout out there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. 10-10. See how it's going? I was doing dishes. And you started talking that before. I didn't comment. Yeah. See here, Chris says, Joe is definitely not lying about helping people out. Yeah. I like doing it. And I will literally, let's just say, I'm gonna go to get some Taco Bell or something. And I have $30, just money's sake, $30 in the bank. And my Taco Bell costs $12. And I see somebody side of the street asking for help or food or whatever. I'll buy another $12 meal, knowing that's $24, knowing that only leaves $6 in the bank. Again, just simple math. And I'll buy it. You know, oh, that's great, man. You hungry? Oh yeah. Here you go. And that's I'll give like literally my last dollar. Yeah. And here, it's been a long 7 years in crypto, and it's changed so fast. Yeah. True. I watched that guy today lose it on his wife in front of thousands of viewers. I watched. Was that today or on? That was another call from me. He talked down to her big time. Yeah, I've seen that before too, but this was a long time ago. This is like 4, maybe 5 years ago. He was streaming and she said something or whatever, and man, he talked to her so ugly. I was like, dude, do you realize you weren't muted? And you know, I get it, you know, you talk to your spouse a certain way sometimes, but I was like, wow. Is trading getting harder because of the change? That's a part. Yeah, I think it is. And not only that, but like the money is so spread out. It's so spread thin that it's difficult. So here, Nathan says, what are the thoughts on Alex O? Seems genuine, but lifer and all were in a group chat the other night. Now I wonder. Yeah. So for me, I'm not gonna say anything. how do I say this? It's wise, business wise, to not rock the boat. It's business wise to compliment and edify, build someone up that is very well liked. It's great business sense, because if you do what I do and speak the truth, regardless of the outcome, knowing the outcome is not favorable to your channel and success, it's literally going to destroy your chances of being very successful sooner. So with that being said, there are plenty of people that I talk to, there are YouTubers that tell me stuff behind closed doors, how they feel about certain traders. And that's what I'll say about that. Not saying that Aliso talks to me or any other person talks to me. I'm just saying I do talk to other YouTubers, and different traders come up and I see their true feelings about those certain traders. So that's what we'll say about that. But other people have said that too, Nathan. Matter of fact, another YouTuber who I talked to said pretty much the same thing. He heard them on X Space, and certain traders were talking about Lifer in a very positive way, and it was like, now I kind of think about it. Like, yeah. Now, for me, when Lifer was on an X Space, I did also join the X Space, and he's like, hey, Joe, because we know each other. We know each other from back in the day, before we got popular. I used to have my show at 6 a.m. Central, and he would have his show at 7 a.m. Central. And this is when he would only have like 14 people in his show. And I would do my show, and then I would put my people to him. Now, am I, hating on him because he's successful? Nope. I'm very proud of him. Very happy that he made it. Very happy for all the success and money and everything. Good for him. I just don't like that he portrays it from his trading. He did it because he's a salesman, and good for him. But there'd be times where I'd be streaming and I'd be go over my time, and then they'd say, hey, Joe, Lifer is saying, where's all these people at? He only has like 6 people in his stream right now. I was like, oh, snap. Let's all go over there. And then so I take my 10 people, or 16, depending, and we all go to there and we start watching Lifer. So anyway, we were on the X Space about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. And I raised my hand to talk. And sure enough, Lifer knows me. And I say, hey, what's going on, Lifer? He's like, hey, Joe, how you doing, man? I said, I'm doing good. I told him too, I just want to congratulate you on your business, on being successful. And then I asked him a question about business. I didn't ask him a question about trading, because again, he knows nothing about trading. Now, granted, I kept it respectful because it was somebody else's room that Lifer was a guest on. So to keep it respectful, I didn't say, dude, you don't know how to trade. You're just scamming people. He's a great businessman. So I was asking him a business question. But yeah, but that's me though. And if anybody, like for me, I will tell you, I'll tell you to your face. Like when Trader Geo comes onto the stream, onto the chat, I love Trader Geo. He has a big head though. He's very cocky. Now granted, with him also, he can back it up, just like Alex O. Not saying that Alex O is cocky or anything, but Alex O can back up his traits. Trader Geo can do the same thing. Like, he's a beast. And I tell Trader Geo all the time, sometimes we talk, but I'll tell him all the time, I was like, dude, like, you just need to work on your humble pie. I have some for you if you want. I can deliver it. He goes, yeah, Joe, I know. It's like, but he's a good dude. I really like him. And sometimes I'll show up on his show and it says Trade Intuition, and hey Joe, this now what's going on, man? So he's a good dude. But let's see what else you got. So here, yeah, here we're experiencing OEM right now to go lower. We'll see. Let's see. Yeah, that was a nice pump. Yeah, so from here, I would not be surprised if we come down. If we do, great. Do I expect it to bounce here? I mean, it'd be nice. 38% reach. No, that's not 30%. Yeah, 30% is way down here. Oh, look at that. Bingo bango. Put bingo bangos in the chat, guys. Bingo bangos in the chats. If you're not a YouTube member, an easy way to help support the channel is by becoming a YouTube member. If you want to join the VIP group, then link is in the description. It's under link tree, shows you all the stuff, all my links. And for that, will you learn how to trade? Sure, faster, but you learn here. There's just the access to the updates for the trades. But I told everybody, do you need the VIP? No. If you have money and you want to help contribute what I'm doing, then join. And there's people who have money where they're just helping the channel. Like, that's what they're doing. They're helping the channel. And they're great traders too. They're not like, 2 days in trading, like, oh man, I really like how whatever you do. Nah, these are traders, experienced traders, and they like the message and they want to help the message get out there. So they're VIP members. Yeah. Let's see here. I got the real one. Money flow is going up. LOL. I told you. I told you. You ain't got no chicken wings. Is money flow coming down now? Is money flow starting to do this? Oh wait. Money flow starting to do that? I'm telling you. Let's see here. Joe, not too bad of a human either. Yeah, like I said, guys, I'm a real trader. I tell you real stuff. If I had something to sell you, I might talk a little different. Still be honest, but just talk different. But since I have nothing to sell you, like, this is as real as it gets. So, dude, are you kidding me? We have gone way over our time. We have gone, oops, way over our time. Let's look to see. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Love you guys so much. We don't have anybody live right now. What's going on? I'm tired of walking. We have gone speed 1.4 steps. We have gone 140 minutes on the stepper, aka the treadmill. Travel 3.27 miles. Get out of here. That's not even possible. I gotta look at that again. That's not even, I've never gone, well, not that I've looked. 3.28 miles, man. I think that might be my record. I may have done more, but just not known it. But no, I walk slower. But I know I'm gonna do long live streams. I was thinking somebody was gonna say that the audio was just horrible, so I was gonna cut the stream short. Johnny December says nice, but no more people will celebrate Christmas, Joe. Fart. It's like, why isn't anybody streaming? Normal people support Christmas. Celebrate Christmas. You're funny. Love you, Mark. You're funny. Scar says, hey Joe, what happens when the options expire tomorrow? That I don't know. You think anything? I don't know. I don't know anything about that stuff. That's over my head. Alex O Crypto, I think he knows about that stuff. Army Piper, I think they know about that stuff. I don't, and I don't even try to pretend to know. I don't know. Dutchy might. Mark Dutch. I think my treadmill's starting to smoke. Here, let's go and turn it off. The treadmill. We've done good today. We made it up for yesterday for sure. I just wish I had some pecan pie that I would have ate today, so I could justify all this walking. 143 minutes, 3.32 on the miles. Ah, such a relief. We did it, guys. Merry Christmas. We did 3.32 miles today, and we did good. Went to my buddy's house today, my ex next door neighbor, and we grilled up some ribeye steaks, and some sausage, asparagus, salad, very delicious. On my drive home, I stopped by and got some dessert, which was a donut. I should have got one of them little pecan pies. But yeah. Did Road Dogg start? Maybe it's your lady. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe it's your leggings catching fire, Joe. 9 on stretches now. That is funny. That's funny. See you later. Merry Christmas. God bless every one of you. I'm wishing everybody increased success, increased happiness, increased profitability, increased success in your workplace, in your relationship, just everything. I truly do want everybody to be successful. I want everybody to grow. It's really awful when people grow by stepping on other people's back. I want all of us to lift each other up. And for women, they have a really great support system, really great support system. For men, we don't talk about our feelings. For the most part, we were raised not to talk about our feelings. And for men, like, we literally have to just put up with the stuff that we're dealing with. Just to let you know, not only do I help with the whole crypto and trading, stuff like that, but if you need somebody to just listen, and this goes for everybody, guys. If you need somebody just to listen, and not because I'm a registered nurse or nothing like that, just because I'm a person who cares. And I'm not trying to sell you something like, oh, well, I also do therapy and blah. No. Like, if you just need to talk, and not just because it's, Christmas time and sometimes it's depressing or whatever, anytime, this month, next year, whenever, reach out to me. Trade_intuition. A few years ago, there was like 4 people that reached out to me, and they just like, Joe, I just want you to listen. Yeah, man, no problem. They tell me their thing or whatever, and I just put like a thumbs up as a response, just to let them know that I read it. There was one that did want feedback, so I give them my suggestions or whatever. But it's just a friend, and sometimes you just need that, just to get it off your chest. Somebody to listen. And if you want, reach out to me, trade_intuition on Telegram. I respond much faster there than on Discord. But if you want just to talk, I'm here. Doesn't even have to be about crypto or nothing. Just, if you're having a hard time or whatever, I'm here. All right. That's all I got. Let us go on a happy note with the scammy up and handy. Merry Christmas, everybody. And to all the good nights or something. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the absolute best. Smash the like if you haven't already. And we'll see you tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Oh, I might even do a bonus stream. We'll see. Make sure to check X and also join the free Discord and the free Telegram portion, because I also posted in there saying that if I do a bonus stream. All right, that's all I got. I do thank you guys so much, and that's gonna be tomorrow, possibly. Scammy coming handy time. Let's go. Not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. Let's go, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe. Scammy coming handy time. Let's do it.
Never back it up. Talk a big game, but never stack it up. If you ask the wrong question, they acting all tense. Cause deep down, they know they lack common sense. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fake gurus won't teach you less you pay that fee. They ain't trading, just selling some false belief. They got echo chambers all filled with clones. Not in a greed, don't think on your own. Asking real questions, watch them get mad. Talking circles when they don't understand. Tricking new traders with hype and some lies. Showing rented cars, flexing fake lifestyles. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect. Cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise. Tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. They promise riches, they promise gold. But where's the proof? They never showed. Just a flashy site, a paid group. Same old scam, man. You know the name that rhymes with scam. They don't trade, they just post receipts. Screenshots cropped so you can't see the heat. Acting like bosses, acting like kings. But without their sign-ups, they ain't got a thing. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect. Cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise. Tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. They don't want you to think, they just want you cash. Feeding you lies so their pockets get fat. But trade intuition is here to change that. To show you the way. With daily live streams, not a dream. Forget the noise, focus on skill, price, action's the key. That's how you build, keep it simple, no magic plan. Just patience, discipline, a real trader's stand. Yeah. No flex in here, I don't need to pretend. No rented cars, just charts and trends. You wanna grow, then put in the grind. Forget the scams, develop your mind. No shortcuts, no magic key, just risk control and strategy. Trade intuition teaches for free. Live streams on deck while they just sell you dreams and a false success. Fake gurus won't teach you, gotta pay to play. Acting like pros, but they trading in replay. Don't ask questions, they dodge and deflect. Cause it might just expose what they don't know yet. Echo chambers, just hype and noise. Tricking new traders with rented toys. Trade intuition keeps it real, no flex, just facts. Trade intuition, put the truth on the track. Yeah, don't let them trick you. Don't get scammed. Watch out for the scammy cup and handy.
The scammy cup and handy. Oh my gosh, man. Making up patterns that aren't even there. So ridiculous. All right, guys. That's all I got. I do thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video. Until then, as always, be careful who you follow. Be careful who you watch. Make sure to ask questions. Verify that they know what the heck they're talking about. If they ban you for asking questions, well, then you're probably not following the right people. That's all I got. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one. And possible bonus stream tomorrow. Talk to you soon. See ya. Scammy cup in handy. I love it. Let's go. Smash the like. Subscribe. No, I'm playing. Okay, bye.